Alright, hello everybody. This is just a short update on the sawmill progress. Guess this will be part 2. Really about all I've done is I've squared everything up here, and I've tack welded these braces in across it to kind of get a hold everything in square until I cut my angle iron and stuff to weld in here permanently. But as you can see, it slides, rolls pretty good. Matter of fact, it rolls real good. And I got some C-clamps on here that stops right now to keep it from rolling off. I got the table leveled side to side, which is all I needed to do to get my 4 corner posts in here and get those squared off and set. All the rest of it would just be the bracing, adding the motor to it, the bolts to raise and lower the carriage width, and like Johnny Cash's Cadillac, one piece at a time. But so far that's where I've got to on it, and I hope y'all enjoyed this little update. And don't forget to rate, share, subscribe, and comment. Laters.